Now we are discussing about metal business. In that today we are discussing about powder coating, metal plating treatment business. Powder coating, metal plating treatment business is one of the many metal related businesses that can be started. Powder coating simply means covering metal objects with polyester or epoxy powder, then applying heat to enable it fuse into a protective layer, thereby making the objects highly durable and rust free. There are two types of powder coatings, namely the thermosets and thermoplastic. Next point is powder coating the same as electroplating? Powder coating is used to provide many of the same benefits that electroplating accomplishes, but the process is quite different. Those powder coated surfaces are basically covered in a more durable type of paint, whereas electroplated surfaces are covered in a type of metal. And next point is mill powder coated steel rust. Cook powder for crisps. A properly powder coated surface won't rust, but once powder chips and is compromised, it can allow the metal to rust if bare metal is exposed after the powder chips away. And next point is what are the advantages of powder coating? Powder coating gives consumers, businesses and industries one of the most economical, longest lasting and most color durable quality finishes available on virtually any type of metal. Powder coated surfaces are more resistant to chipping, scratching, padding and wearing than other finishes. And next point is how long does powder coating last? 15 to 20 years. How long does powder coating last? Powder coating 15 to 20 years depending on the pre-treatment and the type of powder. It is resistance to weather, corrosion and chemicals makes powder coating a more durable finishing than paint or other liquid coatings. But one safety thing we should feel is for rust iron furnitures will be there. For that already 10 years is over means scrubbing should be there actively with workers. Complete scrubbing should be there. Then the rest upper layer will be cleaned well. Then if you go for powder coating, then it is comfortable again 15 years. So that care should be taken. Next point is the different types of plating plating, specific cases, gold plating, silver plating, copper plating, rhodium plating, chrome plating, zinc nickel plating, tin plating. And next point is the purpose of powder coating. The powder may be thermoplastic or a thermoset polymer. It is usually used to create a hard finish that is tougher than conventional paint. Powder coating is mainly used for coating of metals such as household appliances, aluminum extrusions, drum hardware, automobile, motorcycle and bicycle parts. And next point is powder coating only for metal. Powder coatings are primarily used for metal materials such as steel, stainless steel, aluminum and brass, but they can also be applied to a variety of non-metals including glass or fiberboard. The range of materials that are suitable for powder coating is limited by the fact that powder coating must be heat cured. And next point is what are the 5 basic elements of plating. Create a framework. Start with drawings and sketches to visualize the plate. Keep it simple. Select one ingredient to focus on and use space to simplify the presentation. Balance the dish. Get the right portion size. Highlight the key ingredient. And next point is what is the purpose of metal plating. Plating is the process of covering the surface of material workpiece with a different metal. Plating provides a number of useful benefits such as inhibiting corrosion, changing and conductivity, improving your boosting solderability and reducing friction, heat resistance and hardening the material. And next point is how many types of powder coating are there. Two basic types of powder coating plastic finishes are available, thermoplastic and thermoset. Typically purchasers and manufacturers examine overall costs and potential coating complexity when deciding which type is most appropriate for their application. And next point is the difference between plating and garnishing. Plating is how we present a food in a best way. That means the way of arrangements of food on a plate. For example, the food can be plated with some side dishes, sauces, etc. Garnishing is decorating the food by adding something which can be eaten. Next point is how does zinc plating work? Zinc plating, a process also known as galvanization, is the deposition of thin layer of aluminum onto a metal component to provide a protective layer. Zinc plating is often applied to iron or steel pots whose surface would rust when exposed to air or water. And next point is what are the different types of powder? Epoxy, polyester, nylon and polyurethane, hybrid metallic. And next point is how can I learn plating? Choose the right plating, choose the right size plate, choose a complementary plate color, plate with a cook in mind, with a clock in mind, use most ingredient as your base, serve odd amounts of food, place food to create flavor bites, don't overcrowd your plate. And next point is powder coating metal plating. Treating companies provide services to metal or metal product manufacturers. This is the information regarding powder coating and metal plating treatment business. So it is also for especially for the wrought iron furnitures will be there. For that metal plating and powder coating is most important. So it will give the life to the furniture up to 10 years also without rust. So after 10 years you should take very good care regarding scrubbing with iron. All iron furniture you should scrub out very well. It is one day it will take for one furniture. Then after that you can go for powder coating, means it will give a comfortable look, and again 15 years it will give the life without rust. That is the information regarding powder coating and metal plating treatment business. Wishing you all the best.